Hi my lazy besties, in this video I'm going to show you how I bobbed my wig. I applied a very good hair oil because I don't want my hair looking dry and it's going to go through a lot of heat. Then I got a small rubber band just to section my wig. Sectioning your wig is very important because we are both lazy and we don't want any obstacle in this mission we are trying to accomplish. So we're just going to section the hair in halves. I think the secret to bobbing a wig is taking your stretch out from the roots of the wig to the tip in a C motion, like you're trying to draw a letter C. I think that's the easiest way I can explain it. Another way to bob your wig is by, bobbing the strands layer by layer. But which lazy girl would want to go through all of that? I don't know. But if you want a video like that, I would be so happy to do that as well. So if this video is not helpful, I can also make a layer by layer bobbing technique for your wig, but I did not do layer by layer here and it worked out perfectly fine. Just remember that you're not bobbing just the tip, you're bobbing the whole hair, because if you bob just the tip, then it's going to, the tip of your wig is going to look like a chair, like you're trying to sit on a chair. But if you bob the wig from the top of the wig to the tip, then at least it's going to look better. That's just what I think. I don't know. And something about bobbing your wig is if it gives you a bob you don't like, you're just going to try it again. You're going to try it again till you get the perfect bob that you love. Just be patient and you'll get it.
Time. I need to hold the corner, and there's no one. One time, I need to, 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 I need to.
If you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I really look forward to your comments because I want to know more videos you want me to upload. I want to know if this video was helpful. I want us to communicate. I want us to talk. So please leave a comment, like and subscribe.
Cause girl, you're not nice, you're rude. Want me to feel like I'm new. Want me to watch you do you. Don't get it, look so nice, you're not nice.
Don't forget, all you have to do to get the perfect bob is take your hair straightener, straightener, whatever. Take it from the top of your wig to the tip in a C motion, like let your hand curve. Don't bob only the tip, bob the wig from the top. I really hope this video was useful. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye for now.